What happens for the next 100 days if I am just consistent and just have ruthless aggression? I'm gonna be as disciplined as possible for the next 100 days. I'm gonna vlog every single day. My goal is at the end to at least make 50K in a month. That's the goal I'm gonna basically dedicate this next couple of months to. Let's see what happens. You have to write what you want at the end of the day. You need to visualize what the game plan is. The best way to do that is to start journaling.
Maybe we can do this, sort of payment later.
Later?
Or I will contact you on WhatsApp.
Is this something you actually do want to do?
Yeah, I just, having my notes. I will take a look on the offers I have seen. Maybe I would change my mind, or maybe I stay with it. So
yeah, well, what's causing you to be uncertain? Because you just said you're 8 or 9 or 10 on the process.
as I told you, I have been searching for my chance for a long time. Maybe it works out with you guys, or maybe not.
I mean, you're doing something you've never done before. You've invested in stuff before, and you haven't got the return, right? But wouldn't you agree, in order to do something you've never done before, it does require a change, a different route, right? You mentioned to me why this is important for you to achieve. It's for you to ultimately take care of the family. It's for you to ultimately, that's the reason why you're doing this in the first place, right?
Yes.
In order for you to actually be able to do that, you're gonna have to do something you've never done before. So in discomfort, that's where you grow. It's not comfort. We already know we've been comfortable for a while, so that's why we haven't grown. So in order
I
for you to
believe
grow,
that as well.
yeah, so in order for you to grow, it does require discomfort, because you're never going to feel comfortable with anything that's going to take you to that next level. It's going to take a risk. It's going to take a calculated risk. So if it's a thing where you don't believe in yourself, unfortunately, there's something that I can't do. All I can do is inspire you and teach you and show you the methods in order for you to win. But if you don't believe in yourself, there's no point of us doing this, right? Because then you're not going to give 110% into this, and you're not going to get a result.
Man, those are the worst types of people to deal with. Oh, such a headache, man. Literally an hour, 30-minute call for $500. But money is money at the end of the day. A few years ago, I would have killed for $500. So we'll take it. Looking to get a gym, sauna done. Well, the gym closes at 4. I have football at like 2. So it's been a pretty hectic day. Tough call. Unqualified guy. And a guy who paid $500. But it's good. Get my feet wet, all part of the journey.
It's like a little prayer. I'm down on my knees. I wanna take you there in the midnight hour. I can feel your power, just like a prayer. You know I'll take you there.
Sauna time. I can't have my phone in here for too long, so sauna time. Let's go. Finish the gym session. I probably spent about 20 minutes in there, because I have to go straight to a football match. And let's just get the day fucking started. I'm so good. I'm so ready to go, bro. We were playing a football match. We're 2-0 down, and I realized how unfit I am. I have so much work to do over the next 100 days, build that discipline. But yeah, so far, my performance has not been good. But the second half, I'm going to turn around. I'm going to make you guys proud. Watch. I just finished the game. We lost 4-2. I at least scored a goal. And yeah, our team scored a penalty as well. So I realized how unfit I am, and I'm gonna have to do so much over these next 100 days just to improve me as an individual. But so is the game, so there's a lot more to do, man. You're here today because of the systems that you've developed over your career or your life. The patterns that you follow is the reason why you're here today. In order for you to achieve something new, it's gonna take a different pattern, a new plan of action in order for you to actually get there. What things can you implement in order to actually improve your patterns so that way you can actually get towards your goals? The first thing I would say is identifying exactly what things you do each and every single day. When I start my day, there's literally so much dopamine. I realized that this was an issue as it was affecting my work. It was affecting the way I would show up every single day. So what did I do? I eliminated it. And that's step 2. You identify and then you eliminate. You realize that pattern is leading to bad things in all areas of your business, all areas of your life. In order for you to progress, it's about getting good patterns, right? So you must identify it 1, eliminate it 2, and then start identifying new patterns you need to actually finally get to your goals, right? So instead of me being on my phone and ultimately going through social media, comparing my life to others, and it's not beneficial at all. I prefer to just be in my own zone, focus on creating content in the best way that I can, and give it as much value as possible. That's what the mission is to give as much value as possible. So this is what you can do in your life and start implementing in your life, so that way you actually take actionable steps to get towards your goals, right? What you're going to realize is as soon as you improve your patterns, you start to gain momentum. And momentum is the most powerful thing that you can get, especially as an entrepreneur. You must, whenever you have it, you just must keep going, right? Because that's when
You improve as an individual, you improve as an entrepreneur, and your business starts to grow. You grow as an individual. So all aspects of your life grow once you improve your pattern and get the momentum that you need to finally get over that hurdle so you can live the lifestyle that you want to live. That's the lesson for the day. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. Let's get to the next part.
This part of my day is just about getting more admin work done. Finding that thing is ultimately going to move my business forward. It's been a pretty hectic, busy day. Yeah, not much work done today. Literally, I've been doing sales for 2 years, and every day it's just more amount of work. Sometimes you just need to take a step back and just live life a little, you know what I mean? Tomorrow, straight back to it, it's a Monday. So yeah, just gonna be vlogging and seeing what steps we can implement to finally get to my goals. As you guys can tell, I'm a bit tired from the football match. I thought I'd have energy to do more, but no, I don't. So yeah, I'll probably see you guys tomorrow. Have a good day. Peace.